Ever wish you had a personal assistant, a content creator, a marketer, and a developer? All working 24/7 for free? 1. Clay, your secret weapon for GTM growth. Think of Clay as your data-powered growth hacker. Clay taps into over 100 premium data sources and runs millions of AI-powered workflows to automate marketing, sales, and outreach. What makes it wild? You don't just research leads, you trigger actions automatically. It's like combining LinkedIn Sales Navigator, Google Sheets, and a senior data analyst into one slick platform. Use it to create outreach lists, pull insights from any source, and let AI handle the grunt work. Perfect for growth hackers, B2B founders, and marketers who love results more than spreadsheets. 2. Vistasocial, the social media multi-tool. Scheduling, analytics, engagement, crisis management. Done. Vistasocial is the all-in-one platform built for social teams who want real growth, not just likes. You can manage multiple brands, automate reports, and even get AI-powered suggestions for what to post, when, and why. It's like Buffer, Hootsuite, and a marketing strategist rolled into one dashboard. Perfect for agencies, creators, and brands scaling across platforms. 3. Suno AI, AI music composer. Imagine typing moody synthwave with lo-fi drums, and Suno AI drops you a fully mastered track in 30 seconds. From TikTok clips to background music for your videos, Suno lets you generate entire songs with just a prompt. No studio, no instruments, no music degree required. You can tweak everything using pro editing tools if you're feeling fancy. Perfect for content creators, indie devs, and anyone who's ever tapped a pen and thought it sounded like a beat. 4. Murf.AI, pro voiceovers without the studio. Murf.AI gives you studio-grade voiceovers using AI-generated voices that are almost indistinguishable from real humans. Whether you're building audiobooks, e-learning modules, YouTube voiceovers, or internal training content, Murf makes it seamless. And yes, it works at scale with localization, accents, and an API for automation. You pick the tone, pace, gender, and language. Murf does the rest. Perfect for businesses, creators, educators, and lazy narrators. 5. Sanebox, clean your inbox. Keep your sanity. Email chaos is real. Sanebox is the AI bouncer that keeps only important emails in your inbox. It filters the fluff, reminds you to follow up, and hides distractions until you're ready. You spend less time sorting and more time replying to what actually matters. According to users, it saves about 3 to 4 hours a week. Multiply that by 52? Yeah, that's almost 7 days of your life back. Perfect for literally anyone who opens Gmail and cries a little inside. 6. Lovable, idea to app in seconds. Lovable is like giving your imagination a launch button. Describe what you want. A booking app for personal trainers, a budgeting tool for students. And Lovable spins up the back end, front end, and logic. It's your personal full-stack engineer that doesn't sleep, complain, or ask for coffee. Perfect for founders, MVP builders, and late-night idea junkies. 7. Looka, your brand designed by AI. Need a logo, website palette, business card, social templates? Looka does it all in one shot. Just enter your business name and industry, and Looka generates full branding kits powered by design-focused AI. You can tweak everything to match your vision, or let Looka's AI do its thing and be pleasantly surprised. Perfect for entrepreneurs, side hustlers, and anyone who hates staring at blank canvas screens. 8. MindStudio, build AI workflows without coding. MindStudio lets anyone, literally anyone, build and deploy AI-powered workflows, assistants, and internal tools without writing code. Drag, drop, describe, and boom, your personal AI app is ready. It gives you chat GPT-level intelligence, but fully customizable to your data, your team, and your tasks. Perfect for teachers, HR teams, solopreneurs, and small businesses that want internal AI tools without hiring devs. 9. Fathom, the highest-rated AI note-taker for a reason. Fathom records, transcribes, highlights, and summarizes your meetings. without you lifting a finger. And the magic? You can instantly jump to the juicy parts. Sales teams love it. Startups swear by it. It saves hours every week and helps you actually remember what your client said 5 meetings ago. Perfect for professionals, consultants, freelancers, and the easily distracted. 10th, Kadoa, AI that extracts data from any website. Kadoa is like the scraper tool you always wanted but never understood. It lets you extract structured data, tables, listings, product data, etc., from any website using AI. No code, no selectors. It learns patterns automatically, handles pagination, and even formats your results into clean spreadsheets or databases. Perfect for researchers, analysts, students, and journalists. 11th, HeyGen, AI video avatars and auto-translation. HeyGen lets you generate talking head videos with AI avatars based on your script or voice, and it can auto-translate and lip-sync in over 40 languages. Create global video content without hiring actors, studios, or translators. It's insanely useful for explainer videos, onboarding, product demos, and course content. Perfect for YouTubers, marketers, educators, solopreneurs. These 12 AI tools are changing how we work, create, sell, and communicate in 2025. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel.